Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.50 and $3.26 by 2030. Market experts accept ALGO could reach $1.50 by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2022 is 26 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its origin in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's cryptographic money foundation, the cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has thusly lost most of these additions, experts and sites that estimate costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which plans to answer the mystery of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement strategy called unadulterated verification of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood cache appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. Algorand crucial examination. In June 2019, ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed step by step. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the gigantic measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more expected figure: the breakdown of the value of ALGO's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO by means of private situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early sponsor had presented the drive to extreme dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand specialized examination. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's cash expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, at last hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a cooperation with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamatch Worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. El Salvador, in August 2021, announced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital currency framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to a record-breaking post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 in spite of Algorand having quite recently delivered an overhaul that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a record-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, ALGO has encountered some rebound. Subsequent to arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA declared its participation with Algorand, it demonstrated that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain-upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, a far-reaching implosion saw ALGO exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand current cost. Algorand is at present worth 33 cents USD. ALGO has moved 2.69% as of now with an exchanging volume of $128,848,280. Algorand is at present position 29 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,421,460,020 USD. Algorand Value Expectation 2022. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 49 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 46 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 39 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 83 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ALGO's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 66 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 73 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.17 and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.07 and a low of 99 cents in 2024. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Algorand effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2025. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.50, with a base cost of $1.33 and a typical cost of $1.40. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.73 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.67 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a greatest value worth of $1.83. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.06. On the off chance that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.16. Neglecting to accumulate the help ALGO needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to persist.